What's up guys? Today we're going to be changing a air filter on a 2014 Honda CRV. Super simple, super easy. We're going to make this video only maybe 2 minutes long, show you guys how it's done. Anybody can do it. Let's go. All right, we're here at the workbench. For my car, we're going to be using the FRAM Ultra Air, model number 11258. I believe this air filter will work for the 2012, 13, and 14 Honda CRV. I got this guy for about $18, $19 at Walmart. You can order them on Amazon. Super simple. All right, here we are, the engine. All right, right in front of me is the air box. This is where we're going to be swapping out our air filter. For those of you who are going to make it, say something in the comments. Yes, I know my battery is corroded. I've had issues with it. I got to get some new parts to fix it. So yes, I know about it. All right, here is the air box. So there are 3 clips. There's a clip right back here. If you can see my finger, there's a clip right here. And there's a clip right here. And then back here, there's 2 little slots that it's going to slide in and out. So that is basically what you're going to be removing. Open that up, put your air filter in, put it back. All right, let's get it done. All right, first we're going to redo the clips. Let's try to stay out of the camera shot if I can. And then this guy slides right out, just like that. Got my new filter. This guy can pop out. Okay, got it out. See, this is the old air filter. Super gross. Let's put in the new one. It literally slides in. Of course, it's always harder when you're trying to not block the camera. Just like that. Boom, it's in. Get your 2 little latches right there. Click, click. Boom. 3, 4. That's it. It is in. We are all done. This literally took maybe, and that's with me struggling on camera trying to do it for you guys too. That literally took maybe less than 60 seconds. And you can see the old one's disgusting. And that's pretty much it. Thanks guys. Hopefully you like this video. I'm going to be trying to do some more do-it-yourself videos. If you like it, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks so much.